Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change graphics settings in Racing Kingdom. Adjusting or changing graphics settings in Racing Kingdom can help you improve performance or enhance visuals depending on your device. First of all, to get started, open the Racing Kingdom application on your device and wait for it to load to the main screen. Once you're inside this main screen where you see this interface, go ahead and tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. This will bring up the settings menu. Make sure that you've selected the graphics option on the left hand side, and inside graphic, go to the top section and then select the graphic options available. For better performance on older or low-end devices, make sure that you select low. For best visuals or for more powerful devices, you can choose Ultra or High. Right after you do that, you have successfully customized the graphic settings in Racing Kingdom. You can now enjoy the smoother gameplay or better visuals tailored to your preference. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.